Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Huggy Wuggy from Friday Night Funkin, but originally from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the mouth. Draw a curve across here. Then on either side, curve it up like this. Now under in the center, draw a curve for the bottom of the mouth. Now connect the lines on the sides like this. Next, inside, follow the same curves and draw a border inside the mouth. Now that we have the shape of the mouth, let's add the teeth inside now. Draw a diagonal line down on either side. And then color the outside sections in black. Next, let's draw the zigzag line for the teeth. Start in the center and draw a V shape. Then continue the zigzag out on both sides. Let's draw the eyes now. On the top right of the mouth, draw a circle. And then add another circle inside towards the bottom right. And then one more smaller circle inside the center. Now color the eye in black. Let's do the same thing for the other eye on the left, but tuck it slightly behind the mouth like this. Now let's draw the shape of the head. From the bottom sides of the mouth, draw a curve up on either side. Then bring it in slightly at the end. Next, another larger curve up on either side. And curve it in slightly at the end. Now add a zigzag line on each side. And then connect the lines at the top with the curve. Lastly, for the head, let's add some stitches down the forehead. Let's draw the bow under the head next. Start with two large U-shapes on an angle. Then add another curve inside each one. Next, add the strings of the bow coming down like this. Let's draw the left arm now. Starting from under the left side of the face, draw a long S-curve down like this. Now for the other side of the arm, start next to the bow, bring it down, and then curve it in at the bottom. Next, finish off the bottom of the arm with a curved zigzag line across. Let's draw the hand now. Draw a curved line down at the end. And then another smaller curve on the outside. Next, starting from the outside, draw a line out and then curve it back down and in. and one more curve to close off the hand. Next, draw the right side of the body, starting from the mouth, curve it down past the bow, and then slightly in at the bottom. Next, leave a gap and then draw a curve across here for the bottom of the body. Let's draw the left leg now. Continue this line, curving it downwards. Then add a small zigzag at the bottom. And then one more curve down. Next, draw the other side of the leg with a curve next to the arm here. Now finish off the bottom sides of the leg like this. Next, starting from the bottom left line, draw a line across, keep going, and then curve it down for the top of the foot. Finish off the foot now with a curve across the bottom. And lastly, add 2 curved lines inside here. Now let's draw the right leg in a similar way, but adding only 1 curve inside the foot. Next, add some detailed lines at the bottom of both legs. Let's draw the other arm and hand now. Draw a long diagonal line down on the right and then curve it inwards at the bottom. Then add an upside down V shape to close it off. And add one more curve under for the hand. Lastly, let's add some details on the body. Draw some stitches on the chest and belly. And then add 2 diagonal lines across the belly here. And that's it for Huggy Wuggy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.